Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I'm Kayla, and I want to say thank you for stopping by for a quick visit. So today is my Vlogmas day 21. There you go. And so in a minute we'll see what color we'll be adding. I added this flamingo color in next to the turquoise, and I just love that. I love it, love it, love it. This is how big the blanket is getting. So it is a nice size. I mean, it covers that way or this way. It actually it's pretty wide, you know, just to cover up. A little lap blanket. But I'm going to keep adding to it. I'm on day 21, so I still am going to keep going through, you know, my 25 days, so which will be after Christmas. And then I'm going to add some of my own scrap balls into it until I get it a little bit larger, and I don't know what size I want it, but I'll know I'm done when I'm done. I won't be showing it daily after this month. I will throughout the rest of the month for December, but after this month in January, I'll just be showing it once a week. So that's how it's looking. I love it, I love it, I love it. I love all the colors. It's just so scrappy and beautiful. And it's time to see what the color of the next ball is. Let's see. Whoa! That is going to be beautiful. So it is a green sparkle. Look at that sparkle. Okay, so that's the color I'll be adding in there. Well, I watched something today. Oh, that's going to be great. Okay. Very pretty. All right. Well, I hope you're all having a great Christmas Eve. This video may be late getting up, but I'm recording it on Christmas Eve, and I hope you all have a great day tomorrow for Christmas Day, and I will see you again tomorrow for Christmas. Thank you guys for watching. See you later.